We are making it happen today in Benny's garage. Nom 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 nom. Hello, out in the garage today. I haven't been filming a lot the past week or so. Been doing some work stuff and some other stuff, but I wanted to show one of the quick little projects that I have been working on. Was I wanted to come up with a better camera mount holder system for when I'm working on the workbench. Something that doesn't interfere with what's on the bench, easy to move around. I have this uh, boom like mic stand that I can put over my shoulder. It kind of gets in the way. Anyway, I was looking around and I saw these nifty little lights and I thought, put a camera on there, move them around. How cool is that, right? So then I remembered a while back we made a little recording space and there's a microphone holder, bing, for moving a microphone around. And she didn't really like that and I kept it. Never throw anything away. So I'm going to use this and we're going to turn it into a little camera mount. Editing. I can see you. Couple of things. This, the way it's clamped in, I could have put a bolt in there, the right thread, but I didn't have one, and making's always better than buying, so there's that. Also, yes, my lathe needs to be gone through. Kind of moves around a little bit. Well, maybe that'll be a future video. We don't know. I will eventually buy or print some extra little mounts and just put them up everywhere, and then I can just move the camera around. How convenient is that? Thanks for watching. Hopefully pretty soon here we're going to be getting on some better projects, more involved things. Stay tuned for more. I don't know. More. That's it. Thanks. Bye.